Thursday I have baby, I'm come out of hospital. Friday, every day I go look for my baby where God send. Every day I don't know what dirty nigga want with me, I want to talk about. When I talk about, take my picture and put up my picture, say me, beat people, make me come out and talk. I'm going to station, I'm go in, I'm give myself the policeman, say, never see me in a dance, and he have me there dance, say, him don't know what they talk about, and me not guilty of nothing for go home, go take care of my baby and take care of myself. I go station yesterday with my lawyer. Me not guilty of nothing, me not do nothing. Dirty nigga put up my picture for me, me don't know for what reason when them hate me for. Me not guilty of nothing. Please me I beg you to take down my picture. Stop run with my picture cause me not do nothing. I'm Minia and Maria. Me not hide. Me not want it. Me not do nothing. Me want to take down my picture. See me evidence yeah. Me just have my baby and me know I can read. See it there? See it there? See piece of the paper yeah. See my receipt here down a KPH. See the...
This is not the first time we have seen someone's identity has been mistaken. What a lot of persons fail to understand is that if you are not in the situation, you will not understand how serious this is. But you kind of feel it for her, especially in a case where she was nowhere to be found based on information and the evidence that she brought forward. One thing we know is when you come on to a picture on the internet, you'll be surprised to find out how fast a picture can actually just go viral like that. Even if it was mistaken or in all honesty, it was never that person. We've seen a picture of 6 women going around who are women of interest for the mobbing of 17-year-old Kaylan. A lot of persons are saying that although or can be a case where this female was nowhere to be found when the incident occurred, it could also be a case where she had some association or affiliation rather with these female. I don't know how true that is because she did not mention anything about all of that. The video is much longer than you saw back there, but I just don't think I need to play out the entire. I don't think I need to play out an entire 2-minute worth of video of pure repetition when I could just break it down in synopsis. Put aside that this female knew the other women who are now persons of interest in the mobbing of the 17-year-old. If she was never there, she had nothing to do with the case, and that means she shouldn't have been a target in the first place. How they came about with her picture and conclude that she was a part of the incident, I don't know, and I personally don't care. But if it was a case where she was never there, then I don't think she should be a target, my viewers, subscribers. Worst case scenario, what if someone had seen her without she not knowing that her picture is being out there of one of the alleged person who mobbed the teenager? What if she didn't know any of this and was going about her business and someone saw her and did something to her? These are things we have to point out, my viewers. These are things that we need to point out. And in all honesty, it is really and truly hard to locate the person who published those pictures initially. Now, we know that the other there haven't been any video or any disclaimer of the other 5 women coming forward saying that they were not a part of it, except this woman here who had made 6. So in total, it's really 6, but one of those pictures which you clearly heard the young lady saying that she had nothing to do with it, it's not her. The viewer subscribers, hope everything go out or turn out well with she and people don't pick on her. She made a report to the police already, so everything should be okay. We're moving along. A police corporal, my viewer subscribers, and at least 1 civilian have been shot in an attempt robbery in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew today. It happened on South Odeon Avenue in the vicinity of the transport center. The police report that the corporal who was on duty attempted to file a robbery when he was attacked by the robber or robbers. During the confrontation, the cop and at least 1 civilian was hit. They have been rushed to hospital. Now, my viewer subscribers, I heard that the condition of the cop is critical. There are also been speculation that it was never a robbery and it was a hit. Now, my viewer subscribers, I don't know how true it is. That is just speculation or allegation. Yo, like, to be honest, it's just a rough year thus far for the police of our lawmen and a whole. It's just a rough year. Like, we've seen multiple police lost their life this year, you get me, while on duty and also off duty. And this event that took place today, it just assures to yo like this year is just not on the side of the police officers. No, my viewers, subscribers, it's just a sad incident again, a sad case again. The police was on duty trying to protect civilian and he was hurt during the process. My viewers, subscribers, something I also want to point out, especially in a time like this. Let me just say this: we are now close to the Christmas season, and we know that this is time when a lot of incidents happen, especially in the vicinity of New Kingston and Arthurtree. You will find a lot of robberies during the daytime and also the nighttime. What I would recommend or suggest to you if you're watching this video now is to be vigilant, be militant, be alert. And also, based on reports, we have heard that taxi drivers or person posing as the taxi operators are now robbing people. And how they're doing it is that they will have a female passenger in the vehicle. And you know, once you see a female passenger in the vehicle, you're going to want to take the vehicle, right? So guys, be alert and be aware of this. My viewers, subscribers, comment in the comment section below on what you think on either of these topics. Leave a like on the video also. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, just vibes here though. I'm out.